Okay, this is a week 4 podcast for CIS102. This week you continue to do your My IT labs along with Microsoft Word. Make sure and visit the discussion board on the homepage periodically through the week just to see if there's anything new from students or myself on issues with or questions that students have or uh, corrections to things maybe that might be on the assignment. Late work. If you have any late work is accepted. Please email me though when you're finished because I have to grade those manually. Tonight's Periscope from 6/6/10 is on free online web apps to edit photographs. And then your homework for this week, before I mention that, tomorrow, Techscope Tuesday, we've got Greg King, RBC student. He's going to be graduating this May, and he might have some tips and tricks for students getting ready to graduate. And then he'll share where he's going after graduation. And so if you don't have a class and you're not working, just tune in to the Periscope at 3:30. You can follow the directions on the course homepage, how to follow me, or you can go to myrbc.org/techscope. So week 4, you're going to be doing tonight the Q&A, which is optional. And then my IT lab, part 1 and 2. The project sim for chapter 4. And then another project of what software tools to use. And then a grader project, hands-on. All of these will have resources available with you for you in my IT lab. And I'll go ahead and go there to show you those resources. This is a my IT lab. I'll go into the assignment calendar. And let's bring up the to-do. So we've got due Friday, which is an extra credit. And I want to make mention on extra credit. If it says past due on an extra credit that you didn't do, just disregard that inside of my IT lab. And those will be added at the end of the semester. There's a total of 9 extra credit projects. I might add more extra credit Fridays, but right now there's just 9. So you've got the links to all the my IT lab for chapter 4 on Check Your Understanding part 1 and 2, software tool, what to use, and then IT sim, application software, and then lastly Word chapter 2, grader project. But I want to show you, you can also look it up here inside of the to-do. You can look at course materials from right within here, and you can go to the different resources available. I'm clicking on CIS concepts and looking in the chapter 4, and you'll notice there is inside the resources PowerPoints, audio presentation videos that you can watch to help you prior to taking the my IT labs, and I would recommend doing that. They're not located in the assignment area, but you can browse out to find them. If you read Eagle, it mentions all of these as well for each one of the assignments. So I'll go back to the assignment tab, to do. And so that's what's due this week in week 4. Go back to Eagle. And I want to go back to the home page on Eagle to mention a couple things I've emailed you about. I just want to make sure you know about. One is if you do need to schedule a online office hour, I put them in 15-minute increments. You can click on the schedule meeting link, and what it's going to do is bring you to this screen where you can click on office hours, and then you can click on a time, like say for instance, if you wanted to meet this Wednesday, there's 20 start times. You wanted to meet at say 5 p.m. You would just click on that, click confirm, put in your first and last name and email, and I'll contact you how we're going to connect. More than likely, we'll use my online office hour browser, cconkle.com/office, for us to meet. We might also use a TeamViewer where I can help you remote into your computer if I need to. So a number of things we can do to connect. So I want to mention that. Also, make mention of the general course discussion on the homepage. I did post a couple today actually. And the sort on these, the way it works is, and I don't like it, is it sorts with the newest at the bottom. And so I did make mention that there was a test 1 that was on the assignment in Eagle, and I clarify that on this question the student had, I'm not sure how to access exams. The only exam available, we only have one left actually in Eagle. The rest are actually on my IT lab. And I did post one in here today on the test 1. Test 1 that was on your calendar on Eagle has been removed. It was just a test quiz or test assessment. So I took that off. And I did put in here some of our having issues on Dropbox within the Sims. And a couple options for Dropbox. At the end of your sim, your project IT sim, it does allow you to download the grade. And most of you are doing that as a PDF, but if you don't want to do that, you can, once you complete the sim, just use a snippet tool to capture the grade within your web browser. Save that, it'll save it as an image to your desktop. You can go ahead and save it as an image to your desktop, and then you can click on this button here within the Sim Dropbox to submit for grading once you've uploaded it. So you'll click the choose file to upload the image or the PDF that has a screenshot of your grade, and then you'll submit it. If you don't do these 2 steps here on choosing file and submit, I can't give you a grade for the simulated Dropbox. So you're doing a simulation, basically getting a grade, and then you're submitting the score here in the simulation with Dropbox. So again, hopefully this screenshot helps you, and there are steps within each one of the sims for how to use the snippet tool. You can also Google, how to use snippet tool and find out steps online as well. So that concludes week 4 announcements, and hope everybody has a good week. Bye.